His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has expressed his appreciation, his deepest appreciation to 13 residents and now no Okuada 6th August 2025. Ye military helicopter ekotitoye ewo Brofuedu in the Adansi Ekrofom in the Ashanti region. Wada omwase ebusia ede ensembi atu omenim. Eha Climax TV Ghana mesel say ene your first time I coming across our videos your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Climax TV. Feel free next share watching at the comment section. Now I like your videos no for more latest news updates. Ain't you know His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi ni deepest appreciation ama 13 residents of a year Sikaman Brofuedu in the Adansia Krofom district. And now no Okuada 6th August 2025 ye wie mu hyen ekonya nkwanhyia ema ye penifo nwotwe eto nananom ewonse adoyi reports kire say bebia helicopter ne kotito ye no na eye kwaye bretuo bi mu pa enti no ebusua resident na no wo krom honom no ena eboaye ema yetimi retrieve bodies of ye 8 heroes ema ebusua yetimi eye omawufusum na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Chirima na ahonwawo ene de eso nani ne kromafo ne ye no titulu 13 residents bi eka ho achese omo ena omutu omo husi honom anadwo kwa hebretum no omo nam kwa hebretronim ebusua enam so ena omutimi ekokope de 8 bodies na ebusua omunya omunkwanhyia ema omoto anananom ewo ensie do no na me ne wokase ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oni Ghana hanim sei owawe oko Singapore na the national chairman of the National Democratic Congress NHC odi party nenim ekoko presente an amount of 100,000 Ghana cedis to a year residents ya omutimi ekoko rescue a year omutimi ekohwehwe a year bodies na ebusia say a year ayo say a year denyo ewo a year a friend is saying community honomono na ebusia bibi kakra o hase yesemi ready Yewura Johnson e sedun ketia de nsem bi tudwa wabra okopiem ewo honom o say as the president has asked me to say we are here to thank the residents who helped us recover the bodies of our 8 men. We have a plaque for all of you in honor of what you did. Esedun ketia ensema ode tu a year 13 residents are omo ewo Sikaman Brofuedu in the Ashanti region. Na ebusia eniji sema assign ka ho ene say eye aban no ese obema omo adwuma aye aban ne say obehwe adwuma esiuti to omo na chese ode adwuma na momo efise ne esi ye enano 6 August 2025 no ebusia eye aban ni so say omutimi agigine mu eboaye omo na leading military no omo ena etikrom honom enti no tama issue ni siye no omo ena epubaye omo na omo devote ye omo ho eni military for ne nam uranim etimi ka retrieve eye ye bodies of ye late heroes ebusua omato anananom ewo ensie do no enti no aban no chirima aban ne be ma omadwuma ye. That is the promise of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Now, government of Ghana assign a presentee 20,000 to Adanse Traditional Council to support a year customary rights. Emra incident ni si no ebusua. Customary a year traditional council a work room honum. Edi eya mamre bi ni nyeme bi enti no aban no so assign a support omo with a year 20,000 Ghana cedis ena afisi so no aban no assign ama 13 residents omo boae e retrieve the bodies of yempenifo nwotwin omo so yama omo 100,000 Ghana cedis say omo so omo nche ebusua na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni Ghana ha say na mesika no he's on a mission ɔkɔ outside na ɔkɔ no abusua adwuma ɛna ɛde no akɔpie mu wɔ Singapore to strengthen the relation between Ghana and Singapore. And His Excellency John Dramani Mahama any ɔman mu hanim say me no kasi a ɔwɔ ɛyɛ Singapore ofiri Singapore a ɔba AU attend to a meeting bi a ɛyɛ very very important na just say deɛ ɔkɔ gyina mu yɛ presentation yi ɛma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ɛyɛ the national chairman of the National Democratic Congress ɛnti abusua information a ɛfiri ɛyɛ adanse akrofrom ɛba in the Ashanti region biribi a ɛna no okuada yɛn mpanyinfoɔ nwɔtwe ɛnya nkwanhyia ɛto anananom ɛwɔ nsiadu yi ɛha yɛ Climax TV Ghana mɛsrɛ sɛ ɛnɛ ɛyɛ first time a waka me across our videos a yɛwɔ Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Climax TV. Feel free na share wadwin at the comment section na like your videos no for more latest news updates. Ɛda sɛ ne yɛbɛsan ahyia makraw